Carpets and rugs are such a comfort in your home. Keeping your feet warm makes you feel comfortable stepping on the soft surfaces of these carpets. But maintaining carpets or rugs requires much effort. They suffer from our shoes bringing in dirt and activities in the home, with dirt trapping on the carpets or rugs. Carpet cleaning requires a regular deep cleaning process to remove dirt and stains and prevent a buildup of smells. You can get your deep carpet cleaning done by top cleaning like FastKlean with us, using the right tools and materials that are safe for you, your family, and the environment. For cleaning the carpet, you may require special detergent or shampoo that will help remove deep stains in the carpet or rugs. However, there are ways that you can perform deep carpet cleaning with simple home remedies. For example, you can eliminate deep stains and remove foul odors emanating from your carpet or rugs using the two simple methods. Carpet cleaning with distilled white vinegar. You can clean your carpet thoroughly using distilled white vinegar, which you can get easily. It is advised to clean stains when they are noticed, for it will be much easier than when they have got stuck on the carpet for a long time. However, deep cleaning, which is expected to be done once a while, can be done using distilled white vinegar. 1. The first thing you should do is vacuum your carpets and ensure that they are free of dirt, dust and debris. Using the prepared solution to clean a rug laced with dirt and debris will only spread the dirt all over the carpet. With a vacuum cleaner, you can effectively remove all dirt for proper deep cleaning of the carpet. 2. Secondly, you should scrub off any visible stains on the carpet before deep cleaning. At FastKlean, we advise that you treat stains immediately, for leaving them longer will make it more difficult to remove the stains, and they may lead to a foul stench in the room. 3. The next step involves mixing the white vinegar solution, which will require you to pay attention. You will mix 1 part of white vinegar with 3 parts of water, preferable in a spray, so you can use them efficiently. Vinegar has proven to be an effective home recipe for cleaning, and we are going to use it for making the suitable shampoo solution for carpet cleaning. 4. Now that we have our solution, we are ready to apply it on the carpet. But before you do that, it is advised that you spray on a small portion of the carpet and watch for any color changes. If there are no changes, you are good to go, as the solution will not damage or discolor your carpet. Next, sprinkle the solution on the carpet, ensuring that it is not damp. Leave it for over 5 minutes before you blot or rub the carpet area using a microfiber cloth. It would be best if you rinse the fabric as you blot to remove dirt thoroughly. 5. The final step is to leave the carpet dry before you or anyone steps on it. Clean the carpet with baking soda and salt. You can also use a combination of baking soda and salt, which is common in homes for deep carpet cleaning. Follow these steps to use this method. 1. You should vacuum the carpet to remove dirt and dust. Then remove any visible stains using suitable home remedies to prepare the carpet for the deep cleaning. 2. Now mix an equal amount of baking soda and salt on a dish. As you do this, get a spray that can fill with water for ease in adding water when needed. 3. Now you will have to sprinkle the powdered baking soda and salt solution over the carpet in a pattern to ensure that the whole area is covered. 4. Then apply water to the carpet now covered with the powdered mixture. We recommend you use a spray can ensure that the carpet is not soaked with water. In addition, using a spray can ensure sprinkles of water that will not damage the floor or make it difficult to brush the carpet. 5. Brush the carpet hard to ensure that the powdered mixture penetrates deep into the carpet. It will mix with the carpet's fibers and help break down dirt and stains on the rug to be easily broken and removed. 6. You then get a towel or cloth to scrub the carpet, removing the loose dirt. There will be a trace of the powdered solution left behind, and you should not be overly concerned about this, for it is part of the process. 7. Open your window and allow the carpet to dry through natural air. Now the carpet should smell fresher and look brighter. You can also use a vacuum cleaner to wipe off the powdered streak left behind and leave your carpet looking brand new. Deep carpet cleaning can be achieved with simple techniques and remedies. You can save money with these simple methods, as your carpet looks brand new after each deep cleaning process. The ways we described here are achievable in all homes, easy to set up, affordable, and do the task effectively. You don't have to spend huge on your cleaning budget to sustain fresh air as you clean your carpets and rugs using simple home methods. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Want more tips? Check out our previous video, 5 DIY tips for a sparkling bathroom. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching until